This tool ain't working too good for these squirrels. They done got used to it, and now they climb the poles and sit up here and eat bird seed. So I got this from the Dollar Tree. I use my heat tool. What do you call that thing? And I sliced it and put a hole in the middle. And this is called a squirrel what? Guard? I don't know. Squirrel something, something, something. So I'm gonna just put this right here, like so. Now, the squirrel climb up this tree and won't have nowhere else to go to make them come down. Ha ha ha. So we're gonna see if that works. I put peanuts out here for these darn squirrels. They gotta eat up everything. It's a little crooked. I'm gonna have to do some adjusting. I'm gonna put this water thing, change this water. Let me take that out and raise this up some. I'll adjust that later. But anywho, it's gonna sit something like that. I gotta get it sturdy. But the squirrel will climb up here and he gotta go right back down. He can't get to the seeds now. So for this other one, because they were climbing up this pole, I even got forks down here. I guess that's just for the cats. They don't work for the squirrels. So they was definitely climbing up the tool, and I put this huge funnel. I used my heating tool, wood burner, and sliced it up there and put it up here. And so the squirrels come up and they can't go no further. Can't get to this food. We're gonna see if that tricks them.